Hello, this particular tutorial will be showing students how to create, modify, and navigate a presentation as a part of Lesson 1, Drill 1. Now, before we begin, I want you to know that Drill 1 actually has two parts. Let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to want to do is go to the course website, and we're going to look under course textbook, and we're going to look for Microsoft PowerPoint Lesson 1, pages 54 through 60. We're going to click View, but then when we get to View, we're actually going to download it. If you get this message, go ahead and download it anyway. And we're going to go ahead and open that once it finishes downloading. Okay, once it's downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and snap that document to the left so I can see that, as well as snap the other window to the right. Also note, if you happen to be in the classroom, it might be easier for you just to use the actual textbook. All right, so hopefully you take some time to read Lesson 1 and you look at the overview, getting started. Go to the next page, talks about the workspace and the three main components of the workspace, which are the slides outline pane, the slide pane, and the notes pane. Steps on how to create a new presentation, the 9 different slide layouts, how to save a presentation. And if we go to page 57, you can see the beginning of drill number 1, creating a presentation. So the first thing they want us to do is launch PowerPoint. So there are a couple ways you can do that. You can go to Start, and for some of you, it might already be on the Start menu. If not, you can just go to your search and type in PowerPoint, and it pops up. Go ahead and open that. Now remember, guys, at home, I actually have the 2007 version. In the classroom, you guys have the 2010. So there's some slight differences, but they shouldn't be too different where you wouldn't be able to do the assignment. All right, now that I have PowerPoint open. Okay, now that you've got your PowerPoint open, you go ahead and snap it to the right, and you can still see your directions on the left. So let's go ahead and get started with the direction number 2. It says on slide 1, click in the appropriate placeholder and key the title and subtitle shown below. All right, notice the placeholders are these 2 boxes with the circles and square around them. Those are called placeholders. We're going to click title, and that'll allow us to just type right in there. So the title for this one is Critical Career Skills. And for the subtitle, they want us to type presented by. And if you notice in the textbook where they have this vertical line, that's just like saying enter. So anytime that you see that vertical line like that, they mean press enter. So we're going to press enter, and you're going to type your name. I'm going to type my name, but you type your name. Okay, and next direction, number 3, says to add 2 new title and content layout slides. So if we go to new slide, notice you have different options, different layout slides that you can choose. They want us to choose title and content. Now, since they want 2 title and content slides, what you can actually do is just right click over in this area and just duplicate. that slide. And it'll give you two title and contents. So starting with slide 2, I'm going to go ahead and put in the information as they request. The title is Critical Career Skills. And they want us to use just a bulleted list. So we're just going to click there. I actually want numbers, so we'll go up here to our toolbar and change it to numbering. And we'll type in technical skills, interpersonal skills, and conceptual skills. And on the third slide, it's called interpersonal skills. And this one are bullets. So by default text is bullets. So we get along with others and behave diplomatically. Okay, and the next direction says number 5, always proofread slides carefully without being told to do so. So proofreading is important in any assignment that we do. And now they want us to save this document. So we're going to go ahead and let me maximize this so we can see the entire screen. I'm going to go to top, save as, PowerPoint, and make sure we're saving it in our documents. We're going to save it as your course period. So if you're in period 1A, you start out with 1A, followed by PP1-drill 1, and save. Now that's just the first part of drill 1. You actually have to now go to the next page at the bottom of page 58 where it says drill 1 continued. So let me snap this back to the right, and then we'll go to the next page, and you see drill 1 continued, and it says with PP1 drill 1 open, click the thumbnail on the first slide in the slides outline pane over here. Okay, so we'll click the first slide here. And then it says click slide sorter view to view the 3 slides. So if we go up to view and change it to slide sorter, we're now in our slide sorter view. Then it says click slide show view to move through the 3 slides, and then click to return to normal view. So if I go to view and slide show, it actually gives me the presentation, so I can see when I'm ready to actually present this. To advance each slide, I just can click on my mouse as I'm going through my presentation. And once you finish the presentation, it goes to this screen, and you can just press escape to return back to your document or your presentation. Direction 4, it says on slides 2 and 3, change interpersonal to soft. Okay, so I'll go to slide 2, and I'm going to actually switch it back to normal view first. And from slide 2, where it says interpersonal, change that to soft. Go to slide 3, change interpersonal to soft. And then it says on slide 3, add bullet item, communicate effectively. So I'll just click at the last bulleted item, press enter, and add communicate effectively. Direction number 5 says add slides 4 and 5 and key the text as shown below. So I can just go home and new slide. And on slide 4, the title is Conceptual Skills. And it looks like it's a bulleted list. Ability is to see the big picture. Understand how your job fits into the business strategy. Understand that businesses operate in a global context. Add my next slide, the title, technical skills, bulleted list, including knowledge, expertise, ability to do the job. Direction 6 says use slide sorter view to rearrange the last 3 slides in the same order as the topics on slide 2. So if I go to slide 2, notice that the order is technical skills, soft skills, conceptual skills. So now I go to view, slide sorter, and remember the order technical skills, soft skills, conceptual skills. So technical skills should be here. So I'm just going to take slide 5, click it, hold it down, and drag it. And notice the red bar here. Once I get it to that position, I can just let it go, and it moves that slide into that position. So now technical skills is slide 3. So we have technical skills, and slide 4 should be soft skills, and then slide 5 should be conceptual skills. And that is it. If we just do I'm going to maximize this out for you, change my view back to normal. I'm just going to hit the save icon, or you can use Control S as you see to resave my document. And then I go back to my Google Classroom, click on that assignment, add, upload file, select files from my computer, and here's 1A PP1 drill 1 PowerPoint. And notice the extension on PowerPoint documents are PPTX, where on all the Word documents that we did previously, the extension is DLC. So that's how you can tell what's a Word document and what's a PowerPoint document with because of its extension at the end. So I'm just going to double click on that, allow it to upload. And once it's uploaded, I can turn it in. If you have any messages that you need to leave me, you would type them here. Specifically, students that are turning in work late but have an excuse note or something like that, you will put that information there. And then you just turn that in. And that's it, guys. That's how you create lesson 1, drill 1, create, modify, and navigate a presentation.